It has been 7 months now since this massive house and garage were picked up and moved and then dumped on the front lawn of a Larimer County farm. And the property owner says she's fed up with the city and county not doing anything about it.
Denver 7's Amanda Del Castillo spoke to that property owner who is breaking her silence for the first time.
I love them dearly. You know, my family's been here 100 years.
A century of milk farming for Michelle Dickinson and her family.
They're my pride and joy after my kids.
A job she says already comes with its own complications, but it's a problem she didn't see coming that has plagued her property for months. An entire house, garage and all, dropped on her property. A massive eyesore you can spot from a mile away, and a headache for this farm owner.
And here I am, 7 months later, still with the house.
One the state's Department of Public Health and Environment has ordered not be removed until asbestos abatement is done, or until proper permits are granted. Tasks that fell on Dickinson's front lawn after a man named Gary Dijon left the house.
And I'll own part of it because I did let him leave it here.
After many failed attempts to get answers from Dijon, we visited his home. While he didn't answer the door, he took my call.
When the house would be moved off of Michelle Dickinson's property at all?
I'm working on that right now.
Before hanging up on me, Dijon said he was working on getting the proper permits to finally move the house for a potential buyer. Wanting to learn his timeline, I called back.
I wasn't able to finish my thought before you hung up. We're in your driveway if you have 10 seconds to come outside and talk to us.
I do not have the time today. Call me tomorrow.
I don't know how he doesn't have time to explain it. He had plenty of time when he was in jail for trespassing.
The city of Loveland dealt with Dijon for years. Dijon has spent time in jail in 2016 for a similar crime involving this exact home before it was moved to county property. But it's the city's prior knowledge that has Dickinson frustrated.
But I would like some help from the county and the city and the state to say, yeah, we all have a part in this.
Now, Michelle tells us she's already spent nearly $20,000 on legal fees and testing on the house. Now, the city says the house is now on county property and the ball is in the county's court.
Wow.